Hello Samsung fans and welcome to SammyFans. Just recently, Samsung has started releasing the latest September 2021 security update for its budget smartphone Galaxy M31 in India. Alongside the security improvements, the company has also included the Samsung Pay mini support for the consumer using M31. You can check the version number of this update on the screen. The Galaxy M31 September 2021 update installs the Samsung Pay Mini in order to enable contactless payment seamlessly. However, the update rollout is an initial phase, so it may take some time to reach every Galaxy M31 model. For better understanding, Samsung Pay lets users make payments by using digital banking services such as UPI in India. Furthermore, you can use your mobile wallet to make payments using show code, scan code, and send money option. Yesterday, the company has published the security bulletins for this month's security patch. According to the information, it comes with fixes for 46 CVE from Google and 23 SPE from Samsung for the Galaxy M31 and others. In addition, it's also expected to include a fix for Android auto-related issues. If you want to install this latest update in your smartphone, then first go to your phone setting, then tap on software updates, then finally hit download and install button. So this is our today's video. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, then hit the like button, leave your thought in the comment section, and don't forget to share and subscribe. For more information, visit SammyFans.